Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to add favorites in Brave browser. So guys, to do that process, first thing that you will do is of course go ahead and go to a specific website that you want to put it into your favorites. Let's say I'm gonna go for music.youtube.com, and pretty much over here I should be able to just simply load up the home page. And for example, I'm gonna go set this as my favorite. I'm just gonna click on this icon over here, bookmark this tab. So click on this, and from here you could actually change the name based on your preferences, and you will have here a folder. So guys, if you want it to be specific, you would just simply go ahead and go for choose another folder, and you could name a folder favorites, for example guys, and you could just simply select save, and from here it will be your favorites. And of course, if you really want to categorize it, you could just simply go to the Bookmark Manager, and here, as you can see, we should be able to select add new folder and go for the favorites. And pretty much over here you could select save, and you could just simply put it on the favorites category. So every time I go to a new tab, I will have this folder, and I will have the pop up window, and I could select multiple sites based on the bookmarks that I did. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.